This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting heat under a heavy pot and adding palm oil. Let it shimmer, not smoke. Add chopped onion and garlic, then the cubed meat, sear to brown all sides for flavor. Once the surface is sealed, sprinkle bouillon, ground crayfish, and a touch of salt so flavors begin building. You're forcing Maillard reactions now. That browning is what makes the stew deep and rich. Make sure not to crowd the pan, or the meat will steam instead of brown. Once done browning, pour in stock to deglaze. Scrape the brown bits from the bottom because they carry the stew's depth. Add your blended tomato and pepper mixture, then bring to a slow boil. Reduce to low and cover partially so steam escapes. This concentrates flavor while keeping liquid. Simmer for 45 to 60 minutes, checking and skimming fat. You want tender meat and a thickened sauce. If it's too thin, uncover and raise heat briefly to reduce. You finish by testing texture and seasoning. Adjust salt, bouillon, or a touch of acidity to brighten the stew. Stir in any quick greens at the end so they keep color and bite. Once the sauce coats the back of a spoon and meat is fork tender, remove from heat. If things go wrong, too thin, simmer uncovered to reduce. Too salty, add a peeled boiled yam or potato to absorb excess salt. Serve immediately alongside Amala for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.